In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively open PowerPoint with Copilot and create a stellar presentation. Whether you're preparing for a work meeting, a school project, or a personal presentation, PowerPoint's Copilot feature offers a seamless and innovative way to put your slides together with ease and speed. And I'm here to walk you through that entire process step by step. Let's start by launching PowerPoint and accessing the Copilot feature. If you're not familiar with Copilot, it's an AI tool designed to help you streamline the creation of your slides by offering dynamic suggestions and automating some of the more tedious tasks. Once you've got PowerPoint open, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. You'll find Copilot integrated within it, ready to assist you. This feature is typically accessible from the toolbar or as a side panel that you can click on to activate. Now that you're set up, it's time to provide Copilot with the foundational elements for your presentation. This could be a specific topic you have in mind, or perhaps a detailed outline of the points you want to cover. The more specific you are, the better Copilot can assist you in generating relevant content and slides. Think about the main ideas you want to communicate and any key subtopics that should be included. As you input this information, keep in mind that Copilot is designed to be intuitive, understanding nuances that a typical presentation might require, and it's incredible at adapting to various presentation styles. Once you've entered your topic or outline, let the magic of technology take over. Copilot will generate initial slides and content for you. This might include slide titles, bullet points, and even some visual suggestions that align with your topic. It's a bit like having an experienced co-creator who brings fresh ideas to the table. While Copilot does a lot of heavy lifting, remember that this is just the starting point. You might receive a presentation template that's almost perfect from the get-go, or you might see areas that you need to tweak. Customization is key. Now you'll want to dive into the design and text of your presentation. Take the time to customize the slide design to reflect your style or the branding of your organization. You may adjust the color scheme, fonts, or reorder slides as you see fit. Don't forget to personalize the content that Copilot has generated. Add your personal touch, whether it's incorporating anecdotes, adjusting tone, or providing additional details that will make your presentation shine. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Give your file a name that's easy to remember and store it in a folder where you can easily locate it later. Before closing, take a moment to review your presentation in preview mode to make sure everything flows well and looks exactly how you want it to when you present. Once saved, you are all set to present. Feel confident knowing that with PowerPoint's Copilot, you've been able to efficiently create an engaging and effective presentation. All that's left is to share your ideas with your audience. Happy presenting!